everyone, Melissa here with McWane Science Center, and welcome back to SciSparks. In today's episode, we're going to spend some time getting down with Boyle's Law. Stay tuned. In my last episode, we learned about Gay-Lussac's gas law by making a cloud in a bottle. Check out the link in the description for more. In today's episode, we're unbottling yet another gas law that you can experiment with at home. Here I have a filled water bottle with a pipette scuba diver in it. Now watch what happens when I squeeze the bottle, pause, and let go. It's sinking and swimming! But how did I make it move up and down? Let's talk about it. This is all thanks to one of the 3 gas laws, which we'll explore with the return of my gas law sparkly stick of science. As we learned last time, P represents pressure, T represents temperature, and V represents volume. When the temperature is held constant and doesn't change, if pressure increases, then volume decreases. Likewise, if pressure decreases, then volume increases. This is known as Boyle's Law. I made the pipette sink and swim inside the water bottle by manipulating the air bubble inside it. Pressing the water bottle increases the pressure, shrinking the air bubble and increasing its density, causing it to sink. Letting go of the water bottle decreases the pressure, expanding the air bubble, causing it to be less dense, and floating back to the top. Understanding Boyle's Law is critically important if you ever go scuba diving. Surfacing too quickly doesn't give the air in your body enough time to regulate, which can lead to decompression sickness or the bends. Well, this was once again a gas. Thanks for joining us on this episode of SciSparks. To catch new episodes as soon as they're released, subscribe to McWane's YouTube channel or visit us at McWane.org. Until next time,